Talesong 29. NP. I collect poems, letters, and tales. Lost authors haunt me in train-filled trails. Each manuscript hides secrets and grief, stories of love, life, and brief relief. I travel islands, searching for clues, books are keys, paths I must choose. Friends confide, hearts speak low. Every writer leaves a trace to show. The past whispers, the present shakes. Literature teaches, heartbreak awakes. I face fear, longing, and fate. Words keep me steady, they navigate. Life and art, a delicate blend. Every ending may hint at a mend. I record, remember. Carry their voice. In NP's world, reading is choice. Answer the following questions. Well done! You did it! Compare your answers with the suggested ones.